What if you could turn a simple script into a full cinematic story, without a studio, without a team, and without burning your budget? Most creators stop at ideas because production feels expensive or too complex. But that is exactly what changes today. With Pippit and Seedance 2.0 Mini inside Story Studio, a single creator can now go from script to complete story in one workflow. Pippit is designed to act like a creative co-pilot. You don't just type prompts and hope for results. It understands your script, your pacing, your characters, and your narrative structure. Inside Story Studio, you can map your entire story visually, then generate scenes using Seedance 2.0 Mini at a much lower cost. This is where the real shift happens. There are three things this system unlocks. First, low-cost story creation so you can produce full series instead of single videos. Second, a one-person studio where you handle everything from idea to final output. Third, real cost efficiency so you can test more scenes without worrying about budget. Start with a simple script. Keep it structured into scenes instead of paragraphs. Prompt for script structuring: use this. Break this story into cinematic scenes with clear visual actions, characters, and emotional tone. Format it scene by scene for video generation. Now move into Story Studio Canvas. Here you organize your entire project like a director. You define characters, locations, scene order, visual tone, story progression. Canvas helps you keep everything organized, making it easier to manage and refine your project as it develops. Step 3. Character and style definition before you start generating. Here's a critical rule. Visual consistency matters more than anything. Your audience will immediately notice if the style changes from one scene to another. That's why Story Studio includes a style library. Choose a visual aesthetic that matches your channel's tone and lock it in for the entire project to maintain a consistent look across every scene. For example, define a consistent comic-style cinematic look with soft lighting, expressive characters, and an animated storytelling tone suitable for an episodic AI comic series. And when you're creating standalone character assets or background scenes, use Nano Banana Pro. It delivers the highest image quality and the most accurate prompt interpretation. Then, use Seedance 2.0 Mini to generate the actual video scenes while maintaining the visual style you've already established. Now generate scenes one by one using Seedance 2.0 Mini. This is where cost efficiency matters because you can test multiple versions. Prompt for scene generation: generate a cinematic scene based on this script. Focus on storytelling clarity, character emotion, camera movement, and comic style framing. Maintain continuity with previous scene. Before final output, ensure all scenes connect properly. Prompt for continuity review all generated scenes and ensure narrative continuity, consistent characters, and smooth emotional progression from beginning to end. Now combine everything into a full story sequence. This becomes your final publishable content. You don't need a production team anymore. Story Studio and Seedance 2.0 Mini, one creator can now handle the entire production process, from idea to final cinematic video. You can plan your story, organize characters and scenes, create visual assets, and generate video sequences, all within a structured workflow. Prompt example: design a complete solo creator workflow from script writing to final cinematic output using structured AI generation steps. This workflow helps creators produce consistent, high-quality content without the complexity of a traditional production team. What stands out most is how streamlined the entire workflow feels. From planning your story and organizing assets in Story Studio to generating high-quality visuals and cinematic video scenes, everything works together in a structured and creator-friendly way. Whether you're building a short film, an AI comic series, or experimenting with new content formats, this workflow makes it much easier to turn ideas into finished videos while maintaining consistency across your project. This is not just about cheaper generation. It is about removing the barrier between your ideas and your finished story. With Pippit and Seedance 2, Zero Mini inside Story Studio, you are no longer limited by cost per attempt. You are only limited by your imagination.